In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Substack without subscription. We're going to keep this straightforward, show you exactly where to click, and make sure you know what's freely available to read and what isn't. Start by opening your web browser and heading to substack.com. When the site loads, take a second to get oriented. Substack is a platform where independent writers publish newsletters and posts. Many creators share some or all of their work for free, while others reserve certain pieces for paid subscribers. Our goal here is simply to find and read the content that's been made public. Once you're on the site, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Find and click the option labeled Website. This takes you out of any distractions and into the core reading experience. If your screen is narrow, that menu may be tucked behind a small icon. Expanding it will reveal the same website option. You're not creating an account or signing in here, you're just moving into the general browsing area that highlights what's currently available to read. Next, click Home. This is the central feed that surfaces a mix of featured and trending posts from across Substack. Think of it like a magazine table of contents that updates constantly. Scroll through at your own pace. Thumbnails, headlines, and short previews will give you a feel for each piece before you open it. When something catches your eye, click through to the post. Here's the key point. You can read posts without a subscription when the author has published them as free. Many writers do this to share ideas broadly and grow their audience. If the post is free, the full text will load and you can read it end to end right on the page. If you encounter a prompt asking you to subscribe to continue reading, that means the rest of that specific post is for paid supporters only. In that case, simply go back and choose another article marked as free. Substack typically makes this clear with labels, previews, or a visible paywall message. A couple of quick tips as you read. Use the home feed to sample different publications. It's a great way to discover new voices. If you find an author you enjoy, remember their publication name so you can return to it from the home feed later. And most importantly, respect creators' choices around paid content. Don't try to bypass paywalls. If you love a writer's work, consider supporting them, but you never need a subscription to explore the wide range of free posts available. That's it. Go to substack.com, open the website section on the left, click home, and start reading the free posts that interest you. Enjoy exploring.